I'm Marielle, a Dutch self-published author and illustrator. Today I will be making fridge magnets of the character of my self-published picture book. First off, I fill a page with all my designs. The magnets will have either a height or a width of 5 centimeters, which is about 2 inches. The only exception to this is the pickle design with a white flower crown. I wanted to be able to hold something on the fridge, and it will be too small if it's only 5 centimeters. Before I cut my designs, I apply a transparent foil to give them some shine. It also protects the magnets a little, but you still should not put the magnet in water. Time for cutting. One more merch product done. Curious about the other merch I created with this character? Watch this video here where I make bookmarks.